FixOrigin, our fixed tilt mounting system, has been designed to ensure long-term reliability and performance. Trinasolar collaborates with the prestigious IDR Research Institute of UPM. Through advanced wind tunnel testing, we analyze how FixOrigin responds to varying wind conditions, particularly high-intensity winds that are most critical for structural integrity in Europe's diverse climates.
In the wind tunnel test, we simulate real-world aerodynamic load on solar structures. We measure wind loads, turbulent effects, and structural response to ensure that the solar structures meet the highest European engineering standards.
At Trinasolar, we are committed to optimizing the efficiency and durability of our mounting solutions. Wind tunnel testing provides crucial insights into aerodynamic performance, allowing us to refine FixOrigin's design for maximum stability in different wind conditions. IDR is one of Europe's leading research institutes in aerodynamics and structural analysis. The rigorous testing ensures FixOrigin can withstand extreme wind forces, reinforcing our commitment to delivering high-quality solutions for the European market. Additionally, Trinasolar's strong local presence provides tailored support and service across the region.
We can simulate various conditions that affect solar structures, including extreme atmospheric turbulence. We use a state-of-the-art instrument to measure wind loads on solar panels. Structural engineers use this data to assess stability and durability of the structure under all expected conditions. The data collected from the test help us to understand how solar structures behave under different wind conditions. Structural engineers use this analysis to identify areas for improvement and ensure structural performance as expected.
Our collaboration with IDR reinforced Trinasolar's dedication to delivering secure, durable, and rigorously tested mounting solutions for Europe and beyond.
Trinasolar delivers solar mounting solutions engineered for reliability. Through state-of-the-art wind tunnel testing and continuous innovation, we ensure that our structures provide stability and efficiency, empowering the future of renewable energy across Europe.